The revolution of 3D shoes largely revolves around the customization capabilities the new technology has to create footwear unlike anything previously available. Under Armour has just announced it has rolled out its first footwear customization platform, UIcon. UIcon will allow fans to create custom designs on some of the company's most popular footwear designs, including the Curry 1, Highlight and ClutchFit Force 3.0. UIcon features infinite possibilities in image uploads, like never before. Upload a picture or image, move it around, shrink it or grow it. It's that simple. Customizable patterns, these are prints that let you pick your own colors and change the size and direction. We're just giving you the start, you make it yours. Limited edition prints, we've collected this season's best prints so you can tie your shoes to your gear. But they won't be around forever. Any color you want. Gone are the days where you're limited to a couple options. We're expanding the palette with a giant array of colors. Gone are the days where you're limited to a couple options. We're expanding the palette with a giant array of colors, said Under Armour in an announcement. The turnaround time for custom footwear from UIcon is around 5 weeks. New technologies including 3D printing are enabling footwear to be customized and shipped in shorter and shorter time frames. Customization is where the footwear trends are moving towards, and nothing is more custom than 3D printed footwear.